Hello everyone and welcome all to Jodah Interior Design. This is a place where we explore our creativity and designs to suit our given space. Today, we are going to explore the world of preschool classroom interior designs. The physical space where young children learn plays a straight significant role in their development, creativity, and overall classroom experience. By carefully considering the layout, colors, furniture, and materials, we can create an environment that fosters both learning and emotional growth. Let's dive into the key elements that make a preschool classroom a welcoming and effective space for little learners. First, let's discuss the importance of layout. When designing Kindergaten Classroom, the layout is one of the most important factors to consider. Young children thrive in spaces that are both structured and flexible. It's essential to have clear zones for different activities such as a reading nook, a cozy, quiet area where children can explore books independently or in small groups. Activity stations, designated spaces for hands-on activities like arts and crafts, building blocks, or sensory play. You can create circle time space, a center area for group activities where children can gather for lessons, discussions, and storytelling. The layout should allow for easy movement with wide pathways between areas to avoid congestion. It's also beneficial to create sightlines where teachers can keep an eye on all students, ensuring safety and interaction. When considering color and lighting, always know that colors are powerful in shaping the mood and energy of a room. Bright, cheerful colors like yellow, orange, and light blue are great choices for a preschool classroom as they evoke positivity and stimulation. However, it's important not to overwhelm the space. Soft pastels and calming tones in certain areas can help children feel relaxed, especially in places like the reading nook or nap zones. Lighting is just as crucial. Natural light is ideal, so positioning furniture near windows can help children feel connected to the outside world. If natural light isn't abundant, consider using soft, warm artificial lighting to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Too harsh or flickering lights can distract or irritate young children, so soft, steady illumination works best. Furniture in a preschool class should be age-appropriate, comfortable, and safe. Look for furniture that is designated with little bodies in mind. Low chairs, small tables, and easily accessible shelves. Round edges and non-toxic materials are essential for safety. Storage solutions are also a must. Young children need easy access to their materials and toys. So, open shelving, bins, and cubbies allow them to choose what they want to play with or work on. Clear labeling, that is using both words and pictures, helps children learn organization skills and encourages independence. Preschoolers are naturally curious and engage with the world through all their senses. A good classroom design incorporates various sensory elements like textured walls or carpets that encourage tactile exploration. These sensory touches are not only fun but also promote cognitive and emotional development. Lastly, a preschool classroom should feel like home away from home. Preschool classroom interior design is far more than just making a space look nice. Well, it's about creating an environment that promotes learning, development, and well-being. A thoughtfully designed classroom can support children's academic growth, foster social interactions, and create a sense of safety and belonging. By paying attention to the layout, furniture, lighting, color schemes, and sensory needs, we can provide young learners with an environment that sparks their creativity and curiosity while making them feel comfortable and confident in their surroundings. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment on the comment section, and I'll try to respond as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Take care.